What you doing?
Making some pitmaster privilege.
Pitmaster privilege.
Mm-hmm. Tomorrow at church, we are cooking a couple of hundred brats on the smoker.
Just a couple of hundred.
Just a couple hundred. But I thought I would add some pitmaster privilege.
Oh, I see. The pitmaster privilege did not have me in mind at all. Because those appear to be jalapenos. Jalapenos.
They'll come off.
They'll come off. They'll leave little evidence behind.
It's flavor. That's called flavor.
Oh, they're candied jalapeno slices.
Yes. They're tasty.
Sweet jalapenos.
Yes.
Oh, you're smiling.
Yes.
Are they still hot?
Yes.
Have you tried one?
Yes.
Do it again. I want to see.
Do it again.
Are you gonna be on fire?
Nah.
No.
No.
So what do you?
It's a sweet and spicy pickle. Okay.
Sweet.
So what I'm creating is called a pig shot.
Pig because
Well,
bacon.
sausage and bacon and cheese.
Okay.
And this is sharp cheddar and jalapeno jack and whipped cream cheese mixed together.
Okay.
And then
All of that sounds good.
and then I take this is a piece of a smoked sausage. And so I roll it up. Oops. I roll. I know, I'm sorry, my big fat hand's in the way. And I roll it up. Okay.
With the sausage.
With the sausage.
One end.
To one end, and then I run a toothpick through to hold it. Okay.
Because otherwise the bacon would just fall off.
Now, what does it resemble?
Aw, it's a little cup
It's a little shot cup.
with sausage down in there. Oh.
It's a little shot cup. That's why it's a pig shot. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm going to stuff it with cheese. Stuff. Bring it just right up to the top. And then I grab one of my little candied jalapeno peppers. And it goes right on the top. Squish it on there so it stays. And there's the pig shot. Now we'll put these on the smoker until the bacon is done. Because once the bacon is cooked, they're safe to eat. So if you want them really, really crispy, you can take a little butane torch and crisp up the bacon on the outside. But the bacon will be cooked through in the smoker. If you want to crisp them up, you can do that. You can always add barbecue sauce or honey or whatever you favor. I just kind of like them like this.
But it's a smoker, so the heat's not under it. So it's going to take some time.
It's going to take time, yeah.
Are you going to put it closest to the heat?
It'll be closer to the fire because we'll have We'll have 200 brats in the smoker, and then we'll fit these in wherever we can kind of fit them in. And then these will get done. Yeah, they'll probably cook a little faster than the brats will. So then the pitmasters get a snack.
And the pitmasters are
They call us the holy smokers at church.
Smokers.
So yeah. So there's that. Anyway, so anything else you would like to know?
No, that's about it.
That's it?
I could eat one minus the jalapeno.
You would actually probably like it because they are very sweet.
Okay.
And they don't have that fire that if you just took a bite out of a jalapeno.
Well, I guess I don't see seeds.
Yeah, there's a few seeds in the juice, but there's not a lot. Okay. So most of the fire is gone.
Okay.
All right.
Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.